So for the next iteration of the electronics and the skeleton of all of the motors, things have been a little bit more refined. We have fewer wires. In the final design, this breadboard and this breadboard are not going to be there. We're going to just have longer wires connected to the 5 volt, and that's just so it's more ergonomic for the user. And this entire batch of electronics is going to be inside of a box, and that's making it way more safe for the user and also makes it look nicer. The code has also been shortened substantially, but it all works just the same. This is the start button. You can press the button and it starts moving. And say there's something close to it. It'll see that, and then when it goes back to do its pass, it'll return to that point. And then when it returns that point, it flips the servo, which acts as the trigger. And then it continues to do more scans. Now, on the final design, it's going to be amplified with a higher gear ratio, so it will not be moving this slowly, it'll be moving much faster. And it is constantly reading both the ultrasonic sensor distances and the number of steps.
Alright, as for the mechanical design of the final product, we have the main mounting piece printed right here. So as you can see, there's a AR-15 handle printed on this gear with the mounting mechanism. So basically this will be screwed onto the lower receiver of the rifle we would like to use to mount it to the rest of the turret. On the bottom part we have inner gear teeth for when the servo motor rotates the inside to point it in different directions. There'll be a gear rotating on the inside, which is actually currently printing. It'll look something like this. So it has 44 teeth, or 36 teeth on the inside. That has, this one has 144, so it has a 1:4 gear teeth ratio. And then in order to mount the servo motor itself with the gear on it, there will be a secondary bottom base plate with a little ring sticking up that this will sit on. And this top gear piece will spin on this ringed piece, and then all the electronics will sit resting on top of this base plate.
For the entire configuration, we're going to have this piece up on a tripod stand that we have the wood for. We do not have the base plate yet, so we have not made the entire tripod. But inside of the base plate, we are going to attach the servo motor so that it sticks the gear right next to the base for the AR. And as the servo turns, it will stay stationary, and this entire plate is what rotates our 180 sweep in order to satisfy our auto sentry and to make sure that it does not go in a full 360 defending whoever's behind it.